walking the Big Bradley Falls. I about forgot where I was going. Sort of pretty cool. I hadn't been here in like 10 years. Used to come up here all the time with the kids when they were young. Matter of fact, used to live like 6 miles from here. There's one black one in the mix of them. Stop. Just don't think about it. Try to get over on them rocks. Oh, it ain't that cold. Oh God, it's cold. I was talking about up there, but I guess that'll work.
My legs are numb now. When you have that crazy dumb strength that he seems to have. No, 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 no. Get your butt down.
Might better try to reserve ourselves a little bit. We've got a pretty good height and the big waterfall. Cool. Should be a bat up in here. I don't see one. That don't mean there's not one. Around the corner there. At least the sun came up. Did you fall down? You fell up? Oh. Tons of mountain laurel for real. I guess we need to cross over here and get on the main trail. Here, like you said, I'm gonna give you the keys and the backpack with the water in it. And if I fall, just leave me down there, don't tell anybody.
I love you.
Here's the keys to that, and here's the keys to my gun safe. Oh, Linda, I've been down here a lot of times. I will be very careful. I'm not gonna get close to the edge. It's also a good place for a rattlesnake. Definitely, if you fail, that will be the end of you. You sure you don't want to come down here? It's awesome. I've actually hiked down the creek to the top up there. It drops off about, there's a 10-foot waterfall to start out to a deep pool. You can actually see it. I don't know if this camera's doing any justice at all, but I know I keep saying that. This creek flows on down into the Green River Wildlife Preserve. Green River, just the Green River. I see people over there climbing. I'm guessing they're trying to rappel down to it. The easiest way is to start over there and walk up creek. Not much risk in dying. But I see them over there. I doubt this camera's picking them up. I see a white helmet. Be a good place to spend the day for sure. I'm guessing the temperature's probably 10 to 15 degrees cooler down there. That's a good 200 feet, maybe more. It's pretty up here. Couldn't have picked a better day. Definitely a drop off.
I'll be glad to get back up there on the trail. This isn't exactly my cup of tea. Him down there, it's like it's nothing. Some people just aren't afraid of heights. I'm terrified, especially being 1,000-something feet up.
It's a snail.
Oh, I would have stepped on him.
Escargot, I think he's alive. Nope. It's just the carcass, the shell. Something ate him out. It's a big one though, look. Large. Quite large. Heck, it was a lot easier than going around the other way, wasn't it? It cut out about 1,000 steps. Let's get on that way. Let me put this on this. Hang on. I'm not going down that way. It's got a little sign of somebody falling. It's pretty cool. These are dangerous. Can't see through the camera. To read it later. Then they have it in Spanish. That's pretty cool, that sign there. Don't want to be him, right? She's left you. Somebody's practicing a little rock bouncing. Didn't try really hard, did they? Gotta watch out up here. Everything bites, makes you itch. careful. Watch out. Unless you just want to take a ride. I need the waterproof camera. I'm going to come back over here and get some video. Be very, very careful. Don't want to get too wet. Already knee deep. I just dropped off knee deep. That's a good one. Got mad. You know, you stand right here, it feels like it's raining. Or is it raining? Salamander, or whatever you call it. Caution, stay on main trail only. Side paths are steep and dangerous. 7 people have fallen to their death off side paths since 2000. I guess that's been like almost 20 years. Safe views of Big Bradley Falls are not available. Oh well. And no camping.